I feel the need to celebrate a Top Gun sequel. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a jacket that I wanted to show you here because I picked it up to celebrate opening night today of the Top Gun sequel, Top Gun Maverick. Now, I was maybe 8 or 9 years old when the original Top Gun came out. My uncle said, "Hey, Pete, do you want to see this new Top Gun movie?" And I said, "Sure, what is it about?" And he said, "It's about naval aviation." And so I was totally expecting like grainy World War II films and overlaid sound effects and kind of a overly dramatic narration like, "The World War II pilot was a pinnacle of hand-eye coordination and bravery." And so when we went into the theater and they started and opened it up with that rock and roll and that dark, gritty shot of the aircraft carrier, dude, I was hooked. I loved the movie. It was not what I expected. It was rock and roll in the skies. It was a love song to aviation. That's what Tom Cruise said. And it's been one of my favorite movies ever since. So, finally, after 30 plus years of not having a sequel, they are releasing a sequel. In case they ever make another one, there's nothing like having a trilogy where you can't actually live long enough to see the third one. But I wanted to actually pick up a jacket to wear to the opening night, and this is a replica of Maverick's jacket here. So what I noticed is that I thought these patches were maybe just made up, but these are really the duplicates of the patches that are on his jacket. Now, the other thing that's kind of interesting is that the jacket he wore in the first one and the jacket that he wears in the second one are actually different. And I want to show you what the difference is. Now, this is not a super high quality jacket. You know, it's a 3-figure jacket. What would be leather in an aviator's jacket looks like that vinyl. These sleeves remind me of those vinyl sleeves on varsity Letterman jackets, but the whole jacket is made out of that, but it looks pretty good. It's this chocolate brown, and we get this faux fur collar here, which would actually be real fur in the real one. And then the lining, it's decently heavy, and I think this would actually work very well as a windbreaker, and it's actually decently warm. But like I said, all the patches are here. Now, it's the patches on the back that actually changed, and I want to tell you why. So what you can see here, and I don't know what they all stand for, this flag patch right here looks pretty interesting. Right up here is what they changed. So what you can see here is we have flags of different countries, and this one is Taiwan. Now, if you are following international politics, you know that Taiwan, even though Taiwan is a country, China doesn't recognize it as a country. They recognize it as a territory of China. And so, in order to get the Top Gun Maverick movie in China, they actually changed this patch to kind of look like the Taiwanese flag, but different. And so, I actually kind of like the fact that it looks like this on this version. But in the movie, you won't see that. So that is a bit of a compromise that they made to appease the Chinese government. So here's the jacket. Yeah, you might confuse me for a naval aviator. Panda, did your mother not like you or something? No, it's my call sign. Oh, you're a pilot. That's right, a naval aviator. So, if you're gonna go see Top Gun 2 Maverick on opening night with me, you're gonna have to be wearing one of these. Maybe you just want to live the glory days of Maverick and Goose, like me. Hey, if you want to pick up this jacket, I picked it up on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever.